Hi, my name is Lem, and I'm from San Diego, California. I'm a patient with Dr. Motwani. I discovered Cornea Revolution about 2 years ago through my brother, who also got surgery through Dr. Motwani. Beforehand, I had nearsightedness issues, and I also had the issue of just my glasses sliding down my face. I've been wearing glasses since I was in 3rd grade. I couldn't tell anything more from like an inch away from my face, and I thought last year would be the change. And so I walked in, got a consultation. Several months afterwards, I did the surgery, and it's been life-changing ever since. I'm able to do all my hobbies, such as skateboarding, rock climbing, biking, just everything about life can be done in a new light because now I don't have to deal with my glasses anymore. And apart from my hobbies, my job has been incredibly easier too because I don't have to deal with glasses anymore. It's not a concern. So honestly, LASIK surgery has been life-changing, and I have nothing but positive things to say about it. I would highly recommend getting LASIK surgery and doing it under Cornea Revolution if you're looking for that life-changing operation.